Google has updated its AI image generator, and the results look unreal. With this Nano Banana Pro image generator, you can perfectly incorporate text, not only in English, but in multiple languages, without breaking the design. It also shifts color schemes with precision and adjusts elements within a single layout, as if it understands the artwork's full mood. In this video, we will push this tool to its limits for product packaging and label designs step by step. From the simplest prompt to a complete packaging concept that should not be this easy to create. Although this tool is only available through the Gemini Pro subscription, I will share a way to access it completely free. Before we dive in, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. Google has just launched the Nano Banana Pro image generator and editor, and it produces stunning results. Head over to the Gemini website, and there you will find the Nano Banana Pro tool. With a simple text prompt, it has generated an amazing result, and the text is beautifully incorporated, with no spelling errors. With LM Arena, you can access this tool completely free. At the top, choose the Direct Chat option. Here, you can see that the latest Gemini 3 Pro tool is selected. You can also test other tools as well. Click on the Image option, and at the top, you will see that Nano Banana Pro is selected. Paste the prompt text. Add the landscape aspect ratio. Then click on this button to generate the image. Here, we have the output image. This result looks impressive. Now, I will ask it to change the color theme to chocolate. And here we have the output in a chocolate color theme without any distortion. So, you can play around with this tool for free generations. Go back to the Gemini website and choose the Create Image option. Select the thinking model. Let's start with a basic text prompt to generate a packaging label for a juice brand with a random name. You can add more details like color and typography. I will add the landscape aspect ratio. Click the Generate button and wait a couple of minutes. Here we have the output image. You can see that the text is elegantly incorporated. To generate a flat label, we will ask it to design a label with a barcode, nutritional values, and other necessary details. Now we have the perfect product label with all details. Here in ChatGPT, I have just pasted a simple text prompt to utilize this tool in better ways. We now have a basic workflow, starting from the concept to the final packaging, step by step. These are all generic prompts for label and packaging design. Now, I will specify the product to be a snack pouch. Here, we have the prompts for a snack pouch. I will select the kid's cartoon-themed pouch with the brand name Snack Wave. Now we have ready-to-use prompts for a consistent design. Let's test the prompts one by one. Copy the first prompt and paste it here. Here we have the basic concept image. Now, copy the second prompt to generate the front label design. This design looks amazing and is consistent with our theme. Now I will copy the next prompt to generate the backside barcode type label. And look at the final result. The text is perfectly added and the design elements look good. Next, we will copy the pouch template prompt to generate the complete design for the pouch. You can see it has added the border areas, like the bleed area, perfectly. Now, we will copy the next prompt text to generate the 3D realistic pouch mockup. And here we have the realistic front and back sides of the snack bag. That looks stunning, and the design remains consistent. And here we have the same design in full pouch format. You can try different themes and animals just by typing simple text. And you will get all the prompts for this new theme. Simply paste the prompt here, and you will get the same pouch design in the chocolate theme. You can also do the same here by asking it to change the animal to a whale. And here we have the updated design without affecting any other elements. Pacdora is an amazing tool for creating mockups, die lines, and 3D models for product packaging. With its AI package design tool, you can also generate stunning product designs. Simply write your text prompt and click on this button. Choose the aspect ratio and number of images. Click the Generate button and wait a couple of minutes. And here we have the stunning design with text. Aside from adjusting designs, you can also generate the die line and preview the 3D version of your final packaging. Its basic plan costs only $18 per month, but with this coupon code, you can get any plan with a 50% discount. Don't miss this limited time opportunity. As a quick overview, I have generated separate prompts for the logo and labels for the front, back, and sides, all inside ChatGPT. Starting with the logo generation, I will copy each prompt one by one and generate all the images separately. Here you can see that we have all the images. All the outputs look amazing and stunning. Just download them one by one. Now I have uploaded all the designs. Next, I will paste a text prompt to generate the 3D mockup using all of these designs. And look at the stunning result. That looks incredible. Here we have a more focused version of the design. I have pasted the text prompt for a commercial shot, and look at the result. It looks impressive. You can also translate your design into different languages by writing a simple text. So, you can play around with different settings to design stunning and amazing results. What do you think about this tool? Should I upload more tutorials on this? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments section. Thanks for watching. See you soon with more exciting content.